In this video, I'm going to show you how to live stream on Rednote. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Rednote, then go to the bottom and then press on this plus button towards the center like so. All we're going to be doing now is we're going to be selecting on the option that says live. Once we're over here, we can go ahead and now begin our live stream. So at the moment, it is using our camera. So Rednote actually does come with a lot of different features. So over here, we need to go ahead and actually give the live stream a title. So I'm going to go ahead and just call it example live stream. Now, keep in mind, the live streaming functionality will only work for certain regions. So if it doesn't work for you, that's a little bit unfortunate, but it should work for a lot of Asian countries. Now, it is actually mandatory to include a thumbnail in your live stream. So over here to the left, you'll notice that there's like a plus button. So let's go ahead and press on that. And that is basically going to allow us to pick from our camera roll. So I'm just using a random image in my gallery. So I'm going to go ahead and just use that. And then over here, we can actually go ahead and share this live stream with other people, our friends, or we can even make a link. And over here, we can even pick what category. So at the moment, this is a vlog, but also you could pick the location. You guys could also pick the hashtag right over here as well. You guys could also even add filters just to make your live stream a bit higher quality. But once you're done with that, all you need to do is press on this red button in the center, and then you should be able to start live streaming. Unfortunately, this functionality is not available in my region, but if you're watching it, all you got to do is just test it out. And if it's in your region, then that is all you need to do in order to live stream. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.